Hey, what's up, y'all? This is David with Capture the World, and I am back with another video. Alright, so don't mind my hair, y'all. I just took my hair out. I'm gonna get it braided tomorrow, so just bear with me. So, on this video, I wanted to keep it short and simple. I just want to talk about, if you have a clothing brand, you might use heat transfer vinyl. If you don't know what it is, it's basically like a type of vinyl where you can use like a vinyl cutter to cut out designs for your brand, and you can heat press it on, a shirt, hoodie, or whatever type of garment you have. So heat transfer vinyl comes in a roll like this, and I'm here to tell y'all why I stopped using it. So using heat transfer vinyl has a lot of pros and cons. I can start with the pros first. So one of the good things about using heat transfer vinyl is, if you have like a design that's not that complex and you want to heat press it on a shirt, you can just use the vinyl and load it up on like a Cricut Explorer or a Silhouette vinyl cutter. Those are the two most popular machines I've seen, and I personally have a Cricut Explorer machine, and I've had it for a couple of years, for a long time actually, and I've definitely got my money back and some by using that machine, and I've used a lot of vinyl with that machine, and I've made a lot of shirts and hoodies with that machine as well. But one of the things that I noticed, and this is one of the bad things that led me to stop using heat transfer vinyl, is once you start to get into more complex designs or like a real big design, that can be very time consuming. You know what I mean? So like it's been like certain designs where it might take me like 10 minutes just to weed out one design. And for those that don't know what doing the weeding process is, basically once the machine cuts out the vinyl, you have to weed out the pieces that you don't need. You know what I mean? So like depending on how big your design is, you can spend like up to 10 minutes or however, 5 to 10 minutes weeding out each design. And if you got to do like 20, 30 shirts, that can be a long process, man. So I decided to do something different about that, and it saved me a lot of time. All right, so one of my solutions, or the main solution that I've been doing to, counteract what I've been dealing with the heat transfer vinyl, is to simply buy, heat transfers, which are called DTF, or digital to film transfers, which looks like this. Hold on, let me grab this for y'all. This is like these are the heat transfers, which is called digital to film. As you can see, it's covering the whole screen, but you can see like this is a design that I would make using heat transfer vinyl, and I would have to like weed out all these different pieces to get what I need. But when you use digital to film, excuse that noise. When you use digital to film, it prints that design out for you, and you can skip the whole weeding out vinyl process, which saves you a lot of time, and it's definitely saved me some time. So yeah, man, I just wanted to make a quick video on why I stopped using heat transfer vinyl and why I started using the digital to film transfers. You know what I'm saying? Like, in my personal opinion, I feel like using heat transfer vinyl is kind of outdated. Not in a way to where like you shouldn't use it ever again, but when it comes to printing on shirts and hoodies and whatever garment you have, I say that using the digital the film transfers really saves you a lot of time. You can definitely do more with that. For example, like this design on my shirt I'm wearing right now. This is made using the digital to film transfers. You know what I mean? Like I have a shop in my area where I can like order different designs that I have. So for example, you can put all your designs on one sheet, and they call that a gang sheet. So for example, I can put like 10 of these logos on one sheet, and then I can order it, then I can just cut these out and just print these on whatever shirt or hoodie or whatever I want to print it on. You know what I mean? So if I wanted to do this using like the regular heat transfer vinyl, I would have to do it like layer by layer. So I would have to do like print out the yellow part, the blue part, the burgundy part. You know what I mean? That would take so much time. But I would say, man, if you have a clothing brand or if you just print shirts for a living, you know, look towards get like the digital to film transfers. And if you don't have like a shop in your area, you can always go on Etsy. They have a lot of shop owners where you can order, digital to film transfers, and they can ship it to you. And whatever design you have, you can put it on the sheet. Like I said before, if you like this content, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Like I said before, this can definitely help the algorithm for more people to find videos like this. And on that note, this is David with Capture the World. And until next time, I see y'all till then, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.